I started doubting myself. I'm like, bro, can I do this job anymore? Like, am I washed? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, bro, back in the video. Today, we're going to redesign a restaurant flyer, so stay tuned to check it out. Peace. Before we get started, I have 3 announcements to make. Shout out to y'all. We just hit 600 subscribers. Also, would you guys watch me do a graphic design live stream? You know, on there you can ask me questions, we could design together, we could vibe together, we could just be talking shit back and forth. You know what I mean? We could just be having a good time. Leave that in the comment section. Let me know if you will watch it. Also, subscribe to my Patreon. I just started a Patreon. Over there, you can expect things like one-on-one membership sessions, monthly Q&A sessions, and personalized advice, portfolio reviews, bi-monthly exclusive design challenges, free digital products and discounted merch, access to project files on YouTube videos, early access to new videos that I'm dropping, and a Discord, plus more. So if you feel inclined to support the channel and support me, subscribe to the Patreon. It will be linked in the description. I love you guys, and let's get started. This project was inspired by that job that I talked about last video. I was like, I can't win, bro. I'm trying to gaslight myself, but I've evolved past the stage of allowing myself to gaslight myself so it don't fucking work no more. Check that out here, where I worked there for like 2 days. It was toxic, but the project that I'm designing here was something that I was supposed to work on there. But this is a mock-up company. This is not a real company. This is not in any way connected to that. It's just the project idea came from that, because when I was there, I was so frustrated that I couldn't design, and it was pissing me off, and it made me spiral, dog. I was like, I started doubting myself. I'm like, bro, can I do this job anymore? Like, am I washed? So I was like, fuck that shit. So I came home, I got my head together, got my thoughts together, and I sat at the computer, and I took like 2 hours to design a flyer. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Here's what the original flyer looks like. As you see, it is boring. The 50% off curves around the burger, but not really. The colors are clashing. The burger it just looks like it's glued on the screen. It's a lot going on, man. There's no separation between the burger and the background. Made with fresh ingredients is boring. It's just generic fonts. Like, it's just a lot going on, but not enough going on to even look remotely decent. The uppercase script font on classic is that's disgusting. That is a graphic design sin. You never want to do that. Never in your life do a uppercase script font, ever. Please don't. I will hunt you down. Yeah. Also, the word burger is it's a generic font, has no personality to it. The design has no personality. The actual hamburger is the main focal point of the design, but it's not centered. It's more towards the bottom. I hate that. It has nothing that's separating it from the actual design, and it just looks boring. They didn't even change the exposure or anything, the lighting on the burger, nothing like that. So my goal is to create a more visually appealing design for this, and a more modern design. I want to make it to where when you see it, you'd want a burger, you'd want to eat, you'd want to stay there, you'd remember what day it was when you saw it, you'd remember why you went there, and you just want to keep coming back. So let's get started. All right, guys. So this is the final product. Let me know what you think, how you feel about it. If you think it came out dope, if you think it came out trash. Either way, I would appreciate your feedback. As always, I love you guys, and y'all have a great week. Peace.